Labeling theory is a sociological concept that explores how the labels or definitions applied to individuals by society influence their behavior and self-identity. This theory is primarily associated with the sociology of deviance, criminology, and the study of social behavior. I will highlight a few aspects of labeling theory. So let's start off with a bit of the history, origins, and development. Labeling theory emerged in the 1960s and 1970s, influenced by the works of sociologists such as Howard Becker, Edwin Lemire, and Irving Goffman. Becker's book Outsiders is a foundational text in this particular field. Edward Lemire was especially interested in describing primary and secondary deviance. Lemire distinguished between primary deviance, which refers to initial, often minor, acts of rule-breaking, and secondary deviance, which occurs when an individual begins to adopt a deviant identity due to societal reactions and labels. Then this notion of a self-fulfilling prophecy. A central idea in labeling theory is that being labeled as deviant can lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy. Once someone is labeled, they may internalize this label and continue to engage in deviant behavior, reinforcing the label. Another concept that's important is stigmatization. Labels can lead to stigmatization, where individuals are discredited and marginalized by society. Irving Goffman's work in particular on stigma explores how labeled individuals manage their spoilt identities. And then there's this notion of the moral entrepreneurs. Howard Becker introduced the concept of moral entrepreneurs, individuals or groups who create and enforce rules, leading to the labeling of others as deviant. This highlights the role of power and authority in the labeling process. Here are some of the criticisms of labeling theory. Critics argue that labeling theory overemphasizes the role of societal reaction in the development of deviance and neglects the agency of individuals. Others suggest it may not adequately explain why certain behaviors are labeled as deviant in the first place. And then finally, some applications. Labeling theory has been applied to various fields, including criminal justice, mental health, and education. It has influenced policies aimed at reducing the negative effects of labeling, such as decriminalization and restorative justice processes. So in summary then, overall, labeling theory provides a framework for understanding how social processes and reactions contribute to the formation of deviant identities and behaviors.